sir.
Mm.
Ayun,
Um,
sir. So, after our session today, sir, like, how do you feel na improve ba yung knowledge mo about using AI or using ChatGPT man lang? Yan.
definitely it helped me makita yung capacity pa nung yung kayang gawin pa ni ChatGPT, no. And in the long run, I believe it will really help our business grow, no. And yun nga yung mga napag-usapan earlier. It's really important, no, yung chat GPT ma-develop yung library para mas mabigay niya yung output na gusto namin, no.
Mm.
And I think yung you as the activator or the middleman really help, no, in bridging that gap, no.
Yun.
So
Kumusta naman,
yun
sir,
yun
yung
yung ginagawa.
yung delivery natin, sir? Like, nahirapan ka ba ma-digest yung bagong info or yung pinag-usapan natin ngayon or needs more ano pa, parang improvement pa doon?
Well, it definitely sa amin on my end, having an initial knowledge about Chat GPT kasi user na rin naman ako. So
Mhm.
hindi naman ako masyadong nahirapan na mag-grasp yung mga bagay-bagay, no. But definitely may mga bagay ako natutunang bago na akala ko hindi kaya ni Chat GPT pero posible pala, no. So, valuable information, very valuable information for us
Alright,
that we
so
can
ayos, sir.
immediately apply. Oo, kaya nakakatuwa. Uh,
Thank you, sir.